my channel. In today's video I got something super dope for y'all, and I hope this comes out to my expectations. So by HairSpells, I love their packaging. It's super cute. They have 100% virgin hair. So yeah, this is by HairSpells, and you already know from the title what I got in this bag or what type of wig I'm reviewing today. This is a braided wig. Now I had a braided wig before, and it was by Outre. There's their box braid wig. I never did review that, but that was before I started like doing wig reviews on my YouTube channel. Like I wasn't even like doing videos. Went through the packaging. Ooh, these lashes are kind of cute. You know how sometimes these lashes is actually kind of cute. Like, I think I would wear these. You know, sometimes when you order hair and they send you like combs and little accessories and lashes and stuff, and you'd be like, oh, I would never wear these lashes. But these right here is actually kind of cute. Like, they're cute. So this is their tag. I have the braids in a 26 inch. I believe it comes in other inches too. I got the longest length. So this is a 20-inch wig. And I'm gonna take it out this bag too. So I already opened the packaging. I'm just showing y'all. I already opened the wig to see how it looks, and I'm excited. So comes in a hairnet, all that, and look at that. So I thought that the braids were gonna be a little bit bigger. These braids are really skinny. They're really small. So y'all see that? They're really little, and it's gray. So I got it in the color gray. They have one, if you don't want a color, you just want all black braids, they do have it in a color 1 or 1B or something like that. And another thing that I realized was that I really like is that the lace is brown, so like a medium brown, and it goes perfect with my scalp. Like, it's gonna look like it's my scalp. It's not transparent. It looks like it's bleached already. So you see that? It looks very good. So this is what the lace looks up close. You don't get a lace in the back at all, but this is how much lace room you get in the wig. So you get some here, and then you get it all the way around, but not back here. But you do get the combs in the back. Wait, no, you don't get a comb in the back. You get the adjustable strap though, and you get 2 combs on the side and 1 in the middle of the wig. So as you can see, it has like little flips on the end. I will definitely have to see how I can get that out, because I don't like those little flips. Only reason it's like that is because I believe it just came out the bag, and the bag, the wig was folded in the bag. So I feel like that's the only reason why, you know, the ends are like that. But I'm going to take care of that in the video too as well, because I don't like that. And I'm going to take care of this lace part too, because I realized that this wig do not come with baby hairs. So I'm like, this is a braided wig. I will definitely need some baby hairs on this unit. So I'm gonna figure out how I can make baby hairs, how I can like take it maybe from the braid and make the baby hairs with it. So I gotta get creative, and I'm gonna show you guys the whole process of how I'm going to rock with this wig, how I'm going to style this unit. So if you do want to purchase this, of course you can see how I did it. So if you get it, you'll know exactly what to do. So I already had glued down my wig cap. I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and then I'm going to put a little bit of my foundation, because this wig cap is really light, and the lace on this unit is like a medium brown, like it's like close to my skin, so this won't match up. So I'm going to go ahead and do everything now. I am going to use my Got2b glue. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace. Now I did try this wig on when I got it out, because I was excited about to see how it looks. This wig is very, very small. I don't know if you can choose your wig cap size, but this cap is super small, so hopefully I don't have a hard time like struggling trying to put this lace on. Like, hopefully I don't have a hard time, but let's see how this goes. I was trying to figure out, should I cut the lace off on my head or cut it off my head. Okay, so I cut the lace off. I just feel myself going to struggle. Oh my god. It looks so boxy. The hairline looks so boxy in the front. So as you can see, like, it looks realistic in the front, but at the same time it looks too like wiggy, like it's too straight across. So I'm gonna definitely have to make baby hairs. Y'all just stick with me through the process. I'm going to try to make this come out looking realistic in the front, because the front is where it's mostly like important. Like, the front is important, especially if it's a braided wig. So okay, so as you can see, ooh, my hair started to itch. Like, the braids are really pretty. Like, when I first took out the box, I'm like, ew, they too little. But I'm like, they're so cute now. Now that I have the wig on, it actually is pretty. The length of this is about 26 inches. It looks like it's not all the way 26 inches. I don't know. Like, it goes to my right here on my waist, and I'm short, so yeah, it's a pretty good length. It's a pretty good length. I have to see how I want to do this front here. So I'm going to show you the lace all the way through. Now in the back of it, it's basically tracks in the back. But you definitely can't see them, because I looked in the mirror and I'm like, that's a pretty good thing that the tracks doesn't show. And then you don't get that much lace room in the parting. So the lace that you get, I don't know if y'all can see in between here and here, but you get lace all right here, and then on the ends here you get that much room. On the sides you get that much lace all the way to here, but in the middle here you get that much lace, if I'm making any sense. And then that's when the track starts. So yeah, so as you can see, the track starts here, but all this right here is lace. Which looks pretty good to me. So what I thought about was grabbing a braid from right here. Before I grab one in the middle, I'm gonna grab one on the side just in case I fuck up. So cut a braid. This is like a good amount of hair that I took, but also this is what I'm gonna do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these tweezers and I'm going to pluck out some of this hair because I don't need this much hair to make some baby hair with. It's just going to look stupid. So I'm going to, so then it'll look like my actual scalp too in the front, because honestly it needs to be plucked. So I'm going to start right here, not in the front. I'm going to start behind the braid and try to tweeze some of that out. So as you can see, I thinned out the lace too as well, so I can open up this part to make it look like my scalp. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut, of course, this length because this is too long. So I'm going to go through all around the lace here and do the same thing. Grab a braid, cut it, tweeze it, and start to make the front look more realistic. So as you can see, I just thinned that part out right there. I'm making this wig look as natural as possible. So I'm just going back and forth, grabbing a braid, taking the braid down, tweezing it, so that this hairline can look realistic, because it's just literally going straight across. So I don't like that look. So yeah, that's all about what I'm doing. So as you guys can see, I'm really trying to get this hairline to come together. So one thing I wish is that this wig already had baby hairs. Whoever made this wig, this is the work that y'all should have done. But hey, sometimes you have to customize things yourself to your liking. Somebody, you know, that's watching this may like it, you know, just to look like this, but I gotta go in here and tweeze some things, okay? What I honestly can say is that it is a struggle trying to pluck and tweeze the hairline. Like, it's a struggle. It's very hard. The lace is soft. It's not a hard lace, but to tweeze the hair is like very thick in the lace, if I'm making any sense. And me trying to pluck it, it's like hard. So I have to like really get in there, and then I have to go in with my scissors and kind of like go in between and cut. So I don't know how I feel about getting to this side, because I just took all my energy trying to do this front. Okay, update. So I swooped something over here. I did a little something. Okay, so this was such a struggle, like seriously. Like, these baby hairs look ass. I had a hard time trying to lay down the baby hairs on this unit. It wasn't laying down. Like, I used got to be glue. I used anything that I had, and it just wasn't working. It's just not how I wanted my baby hairs to look. But I tried, and then I couldn't. It was just a mess, period. But it looks better than what it did before. It's something, you know. It's better than nothing. So this is what the wig looks like. this is what the ends looking like. So what I will have to do is, I don't like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten that out. I'm probably going to put some water on it and then blow dry it. Put some water on it, press it down, and blow dry it. Or just run a blow dryer through it and press it down. I like the fact that it's really flat and it doesn't like lay down. I like the fact that it's flat and it lays down flat. It's not bulky, because the other braided wig I have is kind of like bulky and it's like really thick. So this is really flat, so that's what makes this wig look super cute and super natural. Okay, so my final thoughts on this unit. Okay, I love it a lot. I am in love with how super flat it looks. The tracks are not showing. The tracks can show. You have to be very careful that you're moving the braids the right way. I love it to the side, all the way to the side like this. This is really cute. I really don't have anything bad to say. Okay, it is pros and cons. I do be honest with you guys. It's pros and cons about this unit. The cons is that you will have to do some work if you want this hairline to look natural when you get it. I had struggled doing the baby hairs. It wasn't laying down. I don't know if it was because of the texture of the hair, of the synthetic fiber. It wasn't cooperating right. I don't know what it was, but I will say that. Everything else is great. The lace on this unit, I love the color of the lace, so it matches perfect with my skin tone. The lace color is like a medium brown color. I love the length of the unit. The length is absolutely good. Like I said, this is a 26-inch. If I forgot anything else about this hair, feel free again to let me know down below. So yeah, I really like it. This wig has a little bit of shine, but it's not like super shiny, like oh my god, like girl, it's like looking too shiny. It just looks like that fresh braids kind of look, like when it's like really fresh when you get your braids done. So yeah, that it doesn't look bad at all. I like it. I love that it's flat to your head. This cap does run small, so be careful with that. Yeah, and that's about it with this unit. I hope I covered everything for you all. My battery is running out. It's going dead, so I gotta hurry up. I love you baby dolls so much. If I forgot anything, feel free to let me know down in the comment section. I love you all so much. I see you baby dolls in my next video. Mwah.